Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage subscriptions with Chargebee. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Chargebee website. Once there, log into your Chargebee account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Chargebee dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Subscriptions tab in the main menu. Click on the Subscriptions tab to access the Subscription Management section. Here, you will see a list of all active subscriptions. To manage a specific subscription, find the subscription you want to modify. Click on the subscription name or ID to open the subscription details. In the Details view, you will find various options for managing the subscription. You can update customer information by clicking the Edit button. Make any necessary changes, such as updating billing details or subscription plans. Once you've made the changes, click Save to apply them. To add a new subscription, return to the Subscriptions tab and click on the New Subscription button. Fill out the required fields, including customer details and subscription plan. After entering all the information, click Create to finalize the new subscription. If you need to cancel a subscription, open the subscription details as before. Click the Cancel Subscription button located in the Options menu. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You can also pause or resume subscriptions by selecting the appropriate options in the Details view. To view subscription analytics, return to the main dashboard and click on Reports. Here, you can analyze metrics related to your subscriptions, such as revenue and churn rate. Chargebee also offers features for automated invoicing and payment reminders. Explore these additional tools to streamline your subscription management process. Now you are equipped to effectively manage subscriptions with Chargebee. Feel free to revisit this tutorial as needed for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.